Hello, what is happening? Today we are heading to Arran, which is a wee island just off the mainland in Ayrshire, Scotland. First of all, I want to say a happy new year to everybody that watches the channel, and I want to say a big thank you to everybody that liked, subscribed and commented in 2018 on our channel. I've actually put together a wee list of channels that took the time to like and comment on almost every video we put out last year, so be sure to check out their channels. It is so good to be back in 2019. Sorry it's a bit late starting the year, but Dean, Mac and myself will try to put together content so we could be consistent throughout the whole year this year, which starts with a brand new series coming out on the 28th of January, and it will be consistently uploaded every Monday thereafter. So be sure to subscribe to check that out. But I better get packing because I'm getting picked up soon to head to the ferry terminal to get our tickets and then get the ferry across to Arran. But I better get all this stuff packed up here. Made it. Hello, we just got to the hotel. We've just got into the room. It's looking pretty snazzy. It's quite a cool room. We're gonna go to dinner at a place called Cruise. So we'll check that out. We'll let you know how it is. Oh, I suppose I need to change first actually, so sorted. Right, so yeah, we're gonna go and grab some dinner just now. I'm hoping to get out in the morning, to get the drone up in the air, get some shots of the surrounding area with it because it looks absolutely amazing round about here. But yeah, so we're gonna go and grab some food, have a few drinks and have a good time. Catch you in the morning. Psst, absolutely gutted, couldn't get the drone up in the air. It was too windy. Oh! It was just risky, very risky, because I was going to end up losing it if I tried to take it any kind of distance. I'm planning on coming back here in the summer to get actually some of the footage that I was wanting. Obviously better weather in the summer. There's also a big mountain to climb on this island called Goat Fell, which is meant to be amazing at the top. On a clear day you can see for miles, so I definitely want to check that out with the camera. But yeah, sorry about the drone footage, but don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you next time.